Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install PgAdmin for latest version on Ubuntu 24.04. Then we will connect the PostgreSQL server. First open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PgAdmin official website, it is pgadmin.org. Click on download now, then scroll down, click on this APT for the Ubuntu operating systems. See, PgAdmin, you can install PgAdmin on following platforms. So I'm on Ubuntu 24.04. You can install on any one of these Ubuntu versions, but the installation process is same. See, these are the steps that needs to be performed on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, and also see here we have two modes, web mode and desktop mode. So copy this one. So copy this entire line. It is going to set up the repository. Open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter, it is done. Now create the repository configuration by copying this file, paste it and execute. It is done. Control L. Now install PgAdmin. If you want to install both the modes, we have to run this one. If you want to install only desktop mode, we have to run this command. If you want to install only web mode, we have to run this one. I want to install both. In this video I am going to show you how to install both the modes. So copy this one and just run sudo apt install PgAdmin 4. Hit enter. See, it is going to install these applications and these additional packages. Type for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now open the PgAdmin for desktop mode application. Go to all applications. See, here we have the PgAdmin 4. Click on it to open. See, we got the PgAdmin 4. Now verify the version. Help about PgAdmin 4. See, we have installed 9.1.11. Okay, close this one. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. If you want to install PostgreSQL server, then search for my YouTube channel how to install PostgreSQL server on Ubuntu operating systems. So first verify whether PostgreSQL server is installed or not. Sudo su-postgres or just check the status of the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is installed and it is active and running. Quit. Now click on this add new server or right click on the servers, register, then select server. Then here provide any name. I'm giving PG181 connection. Name can be anything. Then go to this connection tab. Here you have to provide the host name or address where that PostgreSQL server is installed. PostgreSQL server is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Or you can give the IP of the machine if it is installed on some other. Just you need to run ifconfig, then provide that IP. Okay. See, this is IP. So localhost is fine. Port number 5432, maintenance database. I have the database Postgres. Username Postgres. Sudo su-postgres. PSQL /l. See, I have these databases. Give to quit /du. I have these users. Okay, you can provide any of these users. I have the user Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on save. See, successfully connected. Expand connection, expand databases. See, we have the same databases and same users, David and Postgres. Okay, if you want to run queries, right click on this database, then select query tool, then run the queries. See, I'm not giving database because see here it is already selected bank. I have the table customer in this database. Then click on this execute button. See, you got the output. Okay, this is desktop application. The other one is web mode. Exit. To set up web mode, we have to run this script. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now we have to set up user. See here, enter the email address and password to use initial PgAdmin user account. So give the email ID For this demo purpose, I'm giving wrong email, info@info.com. I don't know. Okay, hit enter. Remember this email and password. Later we need this to login. So set the password for this account. Confirm the same by typing same password. Creating storage and log directories. Yes. Hit enter. Apache web server is running and must be restarted for the PgAdmin 4 installation to complete. Continue. Type A for confirmation. Hit enter. See, Apache successfully restarted. You can now start using PgAdmin 4 in web mode at this URL. So this is just loopback IP. Not only loopback IP, you can give the localhost also. So first we will connect through this loopback IP. Copy it, new tab, paste it, hit enter. Provide the email or username. I have given email as info@info.com. Provide the password. Click on login. Not now. See, we have successfully connected in web mode also. Just you need to click on add new server or right click on the servers and select server. Click on add new server. Provide the connection PgAdmin. Name can be anything. Then connection localhost 24.04.3 username postgres. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on save. See, we have successfully connected. Expand connection, expand databases. See, we have the same databases. If you want to create database, right click on this databases, create, then select database. Then provide the database name testdb. Then select the owner from this list. Okay, then definition, provide these template table space and all. If you don't provide, it will take the defaults. Then security, if you want, provide the add users, provide parameters, advanced SQL, it will provide the syntax. Okay, then click on save. See, new database is there. If you go to this desktop application, see here it is not showing. Right click on this databases, then refresh. See, new database testdb is there. Okay, in web mode, here we have given the loopback IP. You can also give localhost, then /PgAdmin 4, or you can give the IP. Hit enter. See, we got the same console. Even we can give the IP of the machine. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PgAdmin 4 latest version, that is 9.11 on Ubuntu operating systems. We have seen both the modes, PgAdmin 4 desktop mode and web mode. Then we have connected PostgreSQL server from the PgAdmin. Okay, for more database or PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.